Alright guys, so today I bought a portable AC because I have an attic that was converted into a room, and there is a window in here, but it's behind that beautiful screen that I like to come up here and watch movies, and it's miserably hot up here and you can't enjoy yourself. So I bought a portable AC unit used because they're about $400 or $500 for a good one. This is a 12,000 BTU because it's supposed to cool a room 20 by 25. I'm not exact sure how big this room is, but it's pretty good size. I do have AC, like I do have central heating and air. I have a vent there. I have one in the back over there, but nothing really along this wall. But even with that in there, and I have some ceiling fans, but even with them going, it's just hot up here. Especially if it's hot outside. I live in Texas, it's just a bad deal. So I'm going to try this portable AC unit. All the videos I've seen have it running out through a window, and I don't have a window in here except behind that screen, and that's not going to happen. So I got this portable AC used, like I said, for 140 bucks. It's a DeLonghi, and all it came with was this little piece. That's all it came with. It didn't come with the hose. So I went to Lowe's, and the only hose I could find was this Hisense one. It was about $30, but it says it was 5 inches, and this measures 5 inches, so it does actually fit on there. So I think this is gonna work. And then I bought 2 clamps to clamp it down real tight. I am gonna get some silver insulation tape, but I only have duct tape today, so I'm gonna at least put duct tape on there and see how it goes. So what I did was I measured 15 inches. I measured from here to the middle of this hole 15 inches. And then I took my stud finder, because originally I was gonna go through this wall, but there's all kinds of studs and there's all kinds of electrical wires over here, so it was just a mess. So I decided to go this way. But I measured 15 inches right here after I took my stud finder and found both studs, so I'd get the middle of the wall. And this is actually going into my attic. So if you're not 100% sure, you can always climb in the attic and double check and make sure that there's no wires or anything back there that you could cause any damage. But I measured 15 inches, and then I took a little skill saw and I put a few relief cuts, little relief holes. I put those in there to make this skill saw cut. Not the best hole, but this hose will fit. And I'm gonna put insulation, the little foam insulation on the other side to hold it down. But I'm gonna run this hose in here and then cut it back to the left. Let's see if I can show you. This is just inside an attic. I want to cut it back to the left over here and go straight out of the house because I don't have a window to go out of. Heard some people say you can vent the air into the attic or in there. I don't think that's a good idea. I feel like you're defeating the purpose and it's just gonna get hot. But got the hole cut, and let's go to the next step. Alright, so I have duct taped this part to stay on there and it'll hold. I'm gonna get silver insulation tape later. I just don't have it at the moment, but I read that's the best, the insulation tape. And I also read that you want to make sure that this AC is into an outlet and not a power strip or a extension cord. So just FYI, if you were thinking about that, don't do it. Alright, so the next thing I did was took this part and put this clamp around it. Extended this hose a little bit. Now I'm going to plug it in there. I'm probably going to take some duct tape and just put it along the sides. This is a 6-inch clamp. It said it was when I bought it, and there's only a couple threads left, so I might buy a little smaller clamp, but it was a 6-inch clamp. I think I am going to put a little bit of duct tape around here for now, and then come back later and put that silver tape on. So let me do that next. Alright, so I've attached the hose. As you can see, I put duct tape around there, but this still comes separated. I'm about to turn this on and see if I can feel any air that's escaping, because that's where it takes all the hot air out. Into that a little bit. It might be, I don't know where that is coming from. I think it's coming from, okay, so it's coming from here. I need to see if maybe I can. Run for a minute to see what it does. Alright guys, so this is what I've done. I've pulled the hose through the wall right there. I'm gonna put some insulation around that. Some of that spray foam I'm gonna spray around there. And then that hose goes right here where I drilled out a hole right there. And now I'm going to hook this on this end and then put a couple clamps around this real quick, and then I'll show you the outside, what it looks like. That is what the outside of the house looks like. That is a dryer vent, and I used concrete screws for them. It's got a little thing so nothing can get in there, and then on the inside it's got a flap so when the air goes it opens, and when there's no air it shuts. So that is how I did it, and I'm pretty satisfied. Alright guys, I just came up here a minute ago. It was 82 degrees. I turned this portable AC on, had it running for about 10 minutes. It's down to 74. I can't tell you how much I have liked this thing. I was debating on getting one or not. I just didn't know how to do it because all of them, like I said, went through the window. I don't have a window, so I vented it out through the stucco, and overall, man, it makes it where you want to come up here and almost get a blanket. Said make sure if you get one of these, you plug it into an outlet. I need to hide that cord, but other than that, that's fine. Don't plug it into an extension cord or a power strip. It just has too much power when that condenser kicks on. But overall, I'm very impressed. You come up here and it says it's 74 degrees, and man, the whole room feels a lot cooler. It's not miserable when you come up here. It doesn't take your breath away because it's so hot. But I really like it. Once again, this is a DeLonghi. This is a CNE 120 model. But overall, super excited. Absolutely love it. Really glad I did this. Really glad I spent some money on doing it as well. I just was concerned since I didn't vent it out a window. But everything's working fine right now. But you guys got any comments or questions, or if you guys got a portable AC and one works really good for you, let me know. But this is the DeLonghi brand, a CNE 120E, I believe, and I'm very, very pleased with it so far. But thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully your carpenter skills are a lot better than mine, and you can make it look a lot nicer than what I did. But if you do, drop a pic, video, something, link something, and I'll check it out, and maybe I can modify mine to be a little bit better. But as of right now, really like it, and I enjoy coming up here now. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a few extra comments. If you stand right in front of it, it is kind of loud, but once you get used to it, you don't even realize that it's even running. And I haven't really noticed any kind of increase in my electrical bill either. Other than that, thanks, guys.